Today's theme is connecting Asia healthcare technology ecosystems. So this summit provides a very good platform for all of us, including industry expert, investor, policymaker, and also scientists, to take a good look at the latest trend shaping the industry, including AI in healthcare development, investment trend, and also regulatory updates. For me, as the head of innovation and technology at Invest Hong Kong, we are a government agency to provide and support foreign direct investment. I would like to take a moment to share with you some of our unique value proposition in this ecosystem development and some new initiative by the government to make Hong Kong to become a life and health science hub. Key ecosystem components including talent, policy, culture, funding, market, and support infrastructure. Let me try to talk about a bit more one by one. So in terms of the talents, as you all know, right, we have 5 very good universities and also 2 medical schools incubating local talent to work in the industry. We also welcome overseas graduates from the top 100 universities to join us to charter their career in Hong Kong. So far, we have about 75,000 applications has been approved under different talent attraction scheme. About policy, we have many supportive policy to drive the innovation and technology in Hong Kong. Our long-term ambition is to make Hong Kong as a health and medical innovation hub. And I would like to highlight some of the published in recent policy address, as Duncan mentioned earlier. And we have a long-term commitment to development for this to become a science hub. So first of all, we should adopt the primary evaluation approach for drug and medical device registration in the longer term, so to directly approve application for regulation of drugs and medical device based on clinical data without relying on other drug regulatory authorities. Our goal is to attract more pharmaceutical companies and also medical device companies to conduct R&D and clinical trial in Hong Kong. And we also enhance the existing drugs regulatory regime by establishing a new 1+ regulatory to accelerate patient access to new drugs. Under this mechanism, pharmaceutical products and for rare disease without local clinical trial data can be allowed to register with 1 certificate of pharmaceutical products. Third, about culture. So a culture of innovation and how to bring innovation to commercialization is very essential, such as encouraging more spin-off from the university to transform and commercialize their R&D outcome. To strengthen this, the government has set aside 10 billion Hong Kong dollar to set up the scheme called Research, Academic and Industry Sector 1+ scheme to accelerate from 1 to N transformation and commercialization of R&D outcome, particularly through industry partnership. Fourth is about funding. So as Duncan also mentioned earlier, we have the Hong Kong Investment Corporation, which is set aside 62 billion Hong Kong dollar for strategic companies who want to establish their presence in Hong Kong. But we also have other funding support and incentive to drive the R&D, such as the profit tax deduction for R&D project, cash rebate for any R&D projects, cash and also subsidized for hiring researchers to work on the R&D project as well. Matching fund grant as well available in Hong Kong for conducting the R&D projects. And also we are the Asia largest and world second largest fundraising platform for biotech company. In particular, you all may all heard about the Chapter 18A. And I think by since 2018 launch and up to August 2023, we have over 60 biotech companies have listed in Hong Kong, generated about fundraise about $110 billion. 5 is about the market. So Hong Kong offers very high quality and also accessible, affordable healthcare service. Hong Kong is also Asia's 3rd largest pharmaceutical hub with a high concentration of pharmaceutical companies and also exporters. Leveraging our proximity with GBA, we can cover 86 million population in China as well. The last is about the infrastructure in the ecosystem. Hong Kong has many world-class infrastructure to shape the industry, including public-private hospital, Clinical Trial Center, ATP, GMP facilities, we will talk later on, and the Hong Kong Genome Institution as well. So our flagship technologies such as the Science Park, located in Tai Po, provide a wide range of facility and incubation program to support life and health science development, incubating new companies. So housing over 340 life and health science company over there. In the meantime, the government is developing the Hong Kong Shenzhen Innovation and Technology Park at Lok Ma Chau, combining the next door, the Shenzhen, which is, will form the Shenzhen Park as well. So we'll form the new zone called Hetao Shenzhen Hong Kong Science and Technology Innovation Cooperation Zone, short form Cooperation Zone. So to foster the synergy between the two parks, the government will announce in the policy address to do a few things. One is providing travel convenience for R&D personnel to work in this zone, facilitating cross-boundary data and also biotech collected for research and trials, establishing the Greater Bay Area International Clinical Trial Institute in the zone next year to provide a one-stop clinical trial support platform for medical research institutions. So the institute will coordinate clinical trial resources at Hong Kong public and private research sector in this area. To summarize, our strength in scientific research, policy support, medical, intellectual property protection, and also financial market talent, I mentioned earlier in Hong Kong, will make Hong Kong to become a good place for life and health science development. So to all our speaker, panelists, and guests, thank you for making time to join today's event. I wish you all enjoy today's fruitful discussion and also have a very great success. Thank you.